Sorry it took a little break there, but welcome back to the channel. And here we got a beautifully rear-ended Ferrari Portofino, which requires the rear body being completely changed, rear bumper being completely changed, new deck lid, blend quarter panels, you know, the whole shebang when your Ferrari gets rear-ended. Here we have the deck lid and the bumper going in with some sealer and base coat. I really like this color. It's one of my more favorite pastels. I'm kind of over the Nardo gray, so it's kind of cool to see like a cream color. It's a very classy color. Not exactly easy to blend, so I'm going to give you a little tip in here. If you are using water-based or solvent, follow the manufacturer's recommendation for a blending agent, whether that's a clear blender or a wet bed. Whatever you do, use it. Figure out how to do it, use it. It will help you. The pastels tend to get a little fuzzy on your blend edges, and that blending agent helps you melt it in and have a flawless finish. Here we have the quarter and the rear body all shot in one go. Came out pretty good, not too much dirt. Actually, I don't think there was, maybe like a couple nibs here and there, but beautiful. There we are with the two-tone for the matte black on the bottom. If you've ever sprayed matte before, you know you better tack your panel well. If you have an anti-static gun, I highly recommend using it because nobody likes bits of dust in their matte paint. Some shops will allow that, I guess, like one or two, but we're just really picky, and that doesn't really fly with us. So yeah, if we get a couple of pieces of dirt, we redo it. Here we have this is how my boss watches my videos so that he can monitor how much paint I'm spewing into the air, and then he back charges me for it. I'm just kidding, maybe. I haven't been fired yet, so. Honestly, I just thought that was a really cool shot. Slow-mo looks really cool when you actually have something to put in slow-mo that usually is going very fast. Anyways, not me rambling, just trying to fill time. So there we are with the finished product. I did not have to redo this one, so I guess that means I didn't get any dirt in it. This is the most satisfying thing ever too. Pulling your paint lines or your fine line. You can instantly see how terrible you are at running lines. You thought you had it, and then a black to white, yeah, no, it's gonna show you where you suck. Or where you're awesome. I mean, who am I to judge? It's so satisfying to watch though. I love peeling that stuff off. Talk about instant gratification. Anyways, so here's the final product, all put back together. I really love the black convertible top, and the A-pillars really contrasts the cream color very well. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like it, let me know. If you have any questions, ask somebody else. No, I'm just kidding. Feel free to ask whatever you want. All right, guys, much love. See you on the next one. Bye.